Ah, young love. It's like a fire that just can't be tamed. Oh no. Looks like her Mr. Right might be a little too popular. Seems like this girl gets what she wants though, even if she has to take it. What does this beauty box contain? Oh, a toothbrush, and just in time too. Oh, great googly moogly. Let's add some toothpaste. Always a good idea. And start cleaning. Now say ah. I say this is a little much, but then again, we've seen her teeth. Looks like we're onto a good. Well, I wasn't gonna say anything, but these will sure come in handy. Let's just say that she has more than enough reasons to try it out. Oh good, it treats the problem. Cover-up can only do so much. Ew, you're not making candles. You don't need to save up on wax. Let's just hope this device will help clean things up for her. It's not pretty to look at, but it does its job. Please don't smell it.
Ooh.
Looks like we're not done with teeth. Or maybe those acne patches. It looks like this is gonna be a very precise procedure. But in time, you can make your teeth shine like a rainbow. Cool.
Yeah.
Ah, blue hair. Well, good idea if she's going for the Marge Simpson look. Maybe you should move it out of your face before cutting. And now she's adding pink to the mix. Who says hair needs to be one color? Honey, those things aren't cherries. She figured it out. Kinda looks like a clown nose, but for your mouth. Still, the important thing is it works. Let's try some lipstick. Yep, that works too. But do you think she should use another color? Good idea. Stencils sure seem to come in handy for this girl. It's simple enough, but we should probably do something for that middle. Oh no, I think that's a little too many wax strips. She's a bit of a glutton for punishment. A mask. Not a bad idea. Okay, what's next? Oh, that looks pretty, but what's inside? Magnetic piercings work great if you don't like needles. Lovely. But it still looks like you like going back for more piercings. Okay, what's in the box? Some girls don't want to give up their classic eyelash tricks. But considering her track record, maybe she should. Well, here we go with the pencil. Just make sure that you grab the right side. Ah, much easier. Hey, where'd her zits go? Temporary tattoos? Well, if worst comes to worst, she can always change her mind. And once again, no needles. Oh, so many options. Oh, come on, cut out the eye. The eye! Dinosaurs, butterflies, and flowers. Maybe she should settle on a theme? Well, the important thing is that she likes it, and has rubbing alcohol ready. Well, appearances start with the way you carry yourself. And it's not like we're asking her to carry books on her head. Wow, it already looks like a huge improvement. Okay, you've tried all the products. Time to test it all out. Wait, what's going on? She's transforming into something better, more exciting! Oh yeah. So far so good, but it's not like the box has an entire new wardrobe. Time to activate wardrobe change. Good idea. Make use of what you already have. And if you happen to have nice pumps and a purse collecting dust. Let's see her put all of this in action. That other girl's probably wondering what happened to her box. This is it, the moment of truth.
Ooh.
And in the end, there's no greater weapon than playing hard to get. Transformerific stuff! Catch you next time!